Hey everyone, welcome to Data Discovery. At this video, we are going to see related to statistical analysis. So this will be the first video related to statistics. So what is the statistic? Okay, there are two different type of these statistics. It is one is called as a descriptive statistics, then another one is called as a inferential statistics. So we need to identify the difference between it, and then after we will be moving related to more concept to a statistical analysis because the statistical analysis plays an important crucial role in building a algorithm. So before starting with the definition of statistical analysis, descriptive and inferential, I'll give one small example to find the statistical. So what is the statistical analysis? You will be finding from that example itself. So what I'll do, I'll make one population data. Okay, population we used to represent as P, and sample data represent as S. Okay, it's a universal term that we use to represent for population and sample. Okay, so I'll give a small example. Okay, from the COVID-19, okay, if we will be collecting a data set, so by the scientists and by doctors, they have said that information that if the age group lies between 50 to 60 or above 60, then persons are more affected by the COVID-19, and if affected, then death may also cause. But if the person are affected in middle age or the lower age in person, the recovery stage is more. So based on the doctors and the scientists, they have cleared this idea based on it. So how they have identified, how they are analyzed based on it, they have took the sample from the data of the people, and they have analyzed based on it. Based on that, they're predicting the population, they're claiming the population. They haven't took the data set from each and every population, because we couldn't able to analyze for each and every population. Anyways, a population is a huge one. We need to take a sample and we need to identify it, and based on that we can able to claim the population. So it's nothing but a inferential one. It's nothing but an inferential one. So what is this descriptive? Descriptive is nothing but it's not related to claiming from sample to population. It's just a sample data, and based on that we are giving the descriptive. We couldn't able to get the complete study from the sample. Okay, to inference the population we couldn't able to get the complete study, but we can get some of the idea, like based on that might get affected. Sample data is a subset of the population, right? Okay, the sample, that whatever that we are collecting over here, it's nothing but my subset of the population, right? But it's not my exact population, it's a subset of population. So based on the sampling data, that I'm predicting that around 50 to 60 age group or more than 60 are affected more on COVID-19. So based on that, I'm doing an inference on population. So this is called as a inferential statistics. Okay, now we'll move to the definition part so that we'll be getting a clear concept, because based on the example only we will be getting an idea. So what is a statistic? A statistic is a science. A statistics is a science of collecting, organizing, and analyzing the data. Okay, so what is the meaning of descriptive statistics? So inferential, we got the example based on this sampling and population data. Okay, but we will moving to the descriptive. So what is it meaning of descriptive? It consists of organizing and summarizing the data. I can give an example. So based on a central tendency, it's one of the example. So over there we are not doing we are not collecting a sample data and population data. Okay, over here we are just doing the organize we are just consisting or organizing and summarizing the data by using a mean median mode. So this is one of the example, this is not an only example. Okay, and inferential, it consists of collecting sample data and making conclusion about population data using some experiment. Over here they have done experiment, so based on that they're predicting, they are doing an inferential based on it, right? So based on it I can give an example using a hypothesis test. Over there it's a huge concept of hypothesis testing. Okay, in which we used to have a z test, t test, chi square test, f test. Okay, statistical analysis, is differentiated into two paths called as a descriptive and inferential. I hope from the example that I've given, you got the clear concept into it. Thank you.